The worst uploader on YouTube. What's that? 5 times 5 times 10, and I've got a shaky hand. Right, so you can see what they're up to today. The men in the big blue machine grabbed chains from the boxes on stage. The hooks from the chains then go up and attach onto the truss section in the roof of the stage. Then what happens is the lighting gantries and sound equipment, video wall, etc. get pulled up on the electric motors at the bottom. So I was right about this stage will be getting used for Calvin Harris. So what's happening today would be called a rigging day, where they put in all the rigging for, as I said, the sound system, video wall and lighting system. Now, funny thing happened this morning. I thought I was in here until Saturday. I got a phone call last night and ended up at the concert hall today, so I'm not in for the rest of the week. So my terrible disjointed video series, I was hoping to show today, as I said, this would be called a rigging day, where the motors for all the stuff that's going to get pulled up into the roof gets put in. And tomorrow will probably be the production day, where the equipment starts appearing again, lighting systems, sound systems, video wall, da-da-da-da-da. And I was hoping to do a sort of a build up of today. We're getting the rigging, tomorrow with the box sections, the lights go on, they'll probably get pulled up, then the sound system. I was hoping to show all that, but I'm not actually working in a show anymore. Is that a bad thing? I don't actually know. What's he up to? Yeah, you can see it. There's a chain there. It's attached to the cherry picker. The very, very brave man is ascending up into the roof. Should we watch him? To connect the hook from the chain that's attached to the motor, which is on the ground, to the roof. Now, I've did this work before. Even although the cherry picker is doing a lot of the work for him, back in the day we used to do this with ropes. You'd actually climb into the roof, drop a rope down and pull the chain up. The amount of upper body strength it took to do that was bonkers. I could do it when I was a kid. I was as strong as I was back then. Don't think I could do it now. The other problem with doing it was if you dropped one of the chains, that must be what, 60 feet to the ground. So there's a potential there to really hurt somebody, you know, so it's a very dangerous job. I think these guys get really well paid for each one of the... They might be on a daily rate, but back when I was doing it, every time you put... They called the... What were they doing? They called... Every time you put the hook onto the roof truss section, that was called a point. And I think we used to build them about £25 per point. So in a show like this, there's probably 40 or 50 points. We'll multiply that by 25 quid and you can see the guys are on good money. But again, it's all health and safety these days, so the guys need to be able to operate a cherry picker and they have to go through rigging courses and stuff to make sure they're competent and capable and all the other words that the safety guys like to use. So, as ever, I've blown it, haven't I? I can't show you the PA coming in and I can't show you the lights, but I'll give you an idea. Could I walk down that? I've not got a high vis on. And I don't want to get anybody into any trouble, but there is a motor box open down the bottom. So, see if we can sneak out on the pitch. Should I be doing this? Let's get something to cripple with it. Right. So you can see it there. The little boxes in the ground contain the electric motors. And the chains go up to the beams at the top. The electric motors then pull themselves up, and this will be for the, you can see it there, PA delay one. So they need to pull the PA system up that side. So that's how they do it. As I said in other videos, I don't want to spoil the spoil the magic of when you turn up at a pop concert or a festival. All this stuff magically happens in front of you, because it is a special experience, isn't it? The modern sound and lighting systems are remarkable things to witness when they're in full kilter. But again, I'm an engineering head, and from an engineering point of view, I think this is cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.